Hello guys, this is Technic Fusion back here with the Lenovo X1 Carbon ThinkPad. I'll show you a 360. This is a ruggedized laptop from Lenovo. Carbon, a rugged carbon right here, so it won't break. And I think this has the hard drive won't die. Sorry for my untechnical language. The hard drive won't die when it gets dropped and stuff like that. So let's take a 360 view around it as I always do. So here's some of the parts. Here's the back, and here's this right side. Here's back to the top view and the bottom view. And let's get on to some of the technical specifications. This computer can run Windows 7 Professional, 7 Home Premium, 8 Pro, and 8. This specific computer has a third generation Intel Core i7 processor, 3.20 gigahertz speed. Oops, that was a fail. Okay, and then so this runs Intel HD Graphics 4000 on the display, so it has a pretty good CPU and stuff. Memory, this is up to 8 gigabytes and 1333 millihertz. The battery life is 8.2 hours and has an integrated 4-cell Lenovo Rapid Charge battery. It will charge very quickly. It has a camera. It has a camera right here. That is a 720p HD camera. 720p HD camera, as I said before. The weight it's 3 pounds. About 3 pounds. And let's go for the ports. So it has one mini DP port, combo audio, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and 4-in-1 SD card reader. So let's go. So here's some of them. So here's the USB and charging. Here's some of the ventilations. Here's the DP. And let's go on the other side. This is the USB 3.0. This is the this is the mini DP. That's the 2-in-1 headphone. That's the SD card reader. And there is the combo audio. So those are some of the ports. This has this has Ethernet through a dongle, and it also has Wi-Fi. And also, this computer actually has optional 3G if you want that. You can make this have a 3G, so it has optional 3G connectivity. And the audio is Dolby Home Theater version 4. The dimension, so we don't really need, but it's, navigation on this has a ultra nav, what they call it, trackpad right here. So and this has a backlit keyboard island style. That practically means, like, for example, as you could see here, like how each one is separated from each other. So let's go and see. Now let's do actually a size comparison between this one and the MacBook Air 13 inch. So let me get that. Here it is. So here's a size comparison. As you can see, obviously, MacBook Air wins. It's much thinner. Go from the side. MacBook Air again. So we all know that this is thinner. So here's the back. The back looks about the same, actually. And the other side, the same thing almost. But the MacBook Air is thinner. And the top view. So here's the top view of them. Both of them, they're about the same thing, but the MacBook Air is much lighter. The 13-inch version is much lighter than this one. Because this one's more ruggedized than the other one, than the MacBook Air. So this computer actually has a fingerprint reader right there. Here's a fingerprint reader. So we basically know what a fingerprint reader does. So it has Bluetooth 4.0 built in. Other stuff is it has an anti-glare screen, so you can't really, it will get away from all that glare and stuff. It has an anti-glare screen. So some of the other stuff, so like I said, rugged carbon fiber construction. It has it's a business class Ultrabook. Lenovo Rapid Charge, embedded 3G connectivity, and has support for vPro. And it has good web conferencing with this mic. So this has up to 256 gigabyte SSD and up to 8 gigabytes RAM. It starts at £3, and like I said all that stuff. Another thing is it has something called Instant Resume, which wakes it from hibernate nearly, as they say, 4 times faster than other laptops. So it has. So I already told you the ports and everything, and this is one of those computers that goes like that. So let's go over some of it. So it has the backlit keyboard, as I said before. I'm not sure if I could. No. So here's the on and off button. Here's the trackpad. Here's the two things, and Lenovo used to only have this thing, but not anymore. It also has this, and it has the start ThinkPads, and it has the start button right here. Here's the on button. So my opinion is that this is actually a really good notebook. Say if you're in the army, or like you're on like a mission or something like that, or like you're riding your bike or something, you can clip this on with mounts, or like you're working in a construction site and stuff like that. You can use this because it's really ruggedized. It has a drop-proof hard drive, so it makes it safer. It has Norton security, so that makes it a little bit safer. And this is an Ultrabook, so it's going to be really thin and light for your uses. Not as light as the MacBook Air, but in ruggedness, I think you'd want to go with this. I could compare it to some others, but I'd rather not, because this is a pretty good laptop. It has good features. It also has 3G connectivity, which is really good. Not much laptops out there with 3G now that are ruggedized, and ThinkPads are always usually ruggedized. They're good for all that stuff, and they're good for businesses. Like if you're somebody working and traveling places, that it will be a good thing to use on the airplane or something. And it's really convenient too. And like I said, it's pretty light, carryable, good travel assistant. And the screen is large enough, 14-inch screen. Right here. Sorry for all that stripes. So it has, and the trackpad is actually really sensitive, almost like the MacBooks. And that completes our review for the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. And see you next time from Technic Fusion. Bye.